Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 461 different strategies, with 140 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 360 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,062 indicators, with 443 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says insane free indicator trading strategy. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And so what we'll do is the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the linear regression oscillator. This one right here. Go ahead and click that and add it to the screen, and it will pop up down on the bottom of the screen, and it'll look like this right here. All the settings on this stay on the default. You can just double check that your styles all look like this here. These 4 plots and this 1 plot turned off, and the inputs are as shown here. Again, pretty sure it's all on default settings. Then the next indicator we were going to add to the screen is going to be the multi-deviation scaled moving average. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And on this one, again, we will keep it on the default settings. Just double check the inputs are as follow, and the styles, everything is checked, and everything should line up. And once you have all that set up, your screen should look like mine here. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for when the multi-deviation moving average is this brown golden color. And if I hover over this right here and you look at the numbers right above my cursor right here, you can see that they do display that kind of brownish color that we're looking for, that kind of brown golden type color. And if I scroll back far enough here and I hover over the line right here, you can see now it's that light blue teal color right here when it's that light blue color. Now, sometimes the line will go super faint, and so that's why if you just hover over the bar, it won't show a faint color. It will show either whether or not it is the golden brown or whether or not it's the light blue. In this case, you can see here when we hover over this bar, it is the golden brown. And then what we're looking for is we're looking for this blue hollow arrow to the downside, and that's from the linear regression indicator, and that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. And so we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just kind of right above this pivot area right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. It's going to put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you see a really nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for the multi-deviation moving average to be that light blue color. And again, if I hover over this bar right here, which would actually be this bar right here, then you can see there the numbers that I was referring to a moment ago are that light blue color. And then what we're looking for is we're looking for this teal arrow to the upside right here. Now in this case, it didn't actually print until the close of this bar here. And so this would be our entry here on this candle. And that's our setup for a long trade. We'll put our entry there. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. A really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 54% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $9,200 for an overall gain of $7,000 altogether. And so, not bad at all as far as all things considered. It's a really decent win rate and a really decent profitability. And so, now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 49 trades altogether. We had 41 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 82% win rate. And if you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $15,000, and so better results. And if you would have used the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, which can be used on any other strategy, then you would increase the win rate significantly, and your total gain would have been closer to the $24,000, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we are still at winning trade number 70. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. That's 70 winning trades in a row using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. If you're interested in getting access to the indicator and the position management strategy, then just follow the links down below. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.